Hello, I'm Chris with the Legacy team. In a previous video, we showed how to produce curved molding for a wall clock project using router bit profiles. Today we're going to take it a step further by producing the same curved molding, but adding 3D carving to follow along the molding profile. Let's go see how that's done on Legacy CNC systems. Now, the dust shoe brushes have been opened up during this cutting demonstration so we can see what's going on. When approaching a 3D component like this, to save us some time, we can dedicate some areas of the entire molding to cutter profiles instead of 3D carving the entire thing. For example, this surfacing cutter, big flat cutter, does three things. It roughs out the material quickly for the 3D carving surface. It also machines two flat surfaces as profile surfaces for the molding, and it creates a clearance for future cutters. With a large bulk of the material removed, we're going to use a tapered ball cutter to 3D carve down the profile curve of the molding itself. Instead of carving down the length of the molding and rastering back and forth, we are rastering along the width of the molding. We find that this gives us greater detail and a better finish when we're following a deep carving like this. Now that the 3D carving section is complete, we can finish the rest of the molding with cutter-shaped profiles. These include a radius cutter along the top curve, a V cutter along the bottom profile, and a 2-flute straight cutter to cut out the shape of the molding. All the cutters that are found throughout this cutting demonstration are from magnate.net. Once mastered, this technique of combining router bit profiles with 3D carving capabilities can speed up your part production immensely. Also, it will allow you to unlock unlimited part designs. Well, I hope you enjoyed that cutting demonstration and learning about Legacy's method of combining 3D carvings with router bit profiles. If you're interested in learning more about Legacy CNC systems and seeing what they can do for your woodworking capabilities or business opportunities, feel free to visit our website at lwmcnc.com. You can always talk to a CNC expert by calling 801-491-0010. To stay informed about Legacy's videos, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box, and feel free to leave us a comment or question down below. If you're interested in seeing more demonstration videos like this, click right over there. As always, thanks for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.